All Halo Home devices can be factory reset to unpair the device and restore default settings. To perform a factory reset on the Halo Home smart light, it will be necessary to cycle power to the fixture in a specific pattern. There are 4 ways to disconnect the power to your smart light. To reset all Halo Home smart lights on the circuit, use the air gap switch on an accessory dimmer, switch the circuit breaker, or turn off the power from a standard switch. To reset a single Halo Home downlight, pull apart the orange quick connector on the back of the fixture. To create the necessary pattern, turn off the power for half a second and then turn it back on for 5 seconds. Repeat this off-on cycle a total of 4 times. Once the pattern is complete, the smart light will flash twice to indicate it is reset and ready to be paired with your Halo Home app. If the smart light is equipped with a motion sensor, after approximately 1 minute, the motion sensor LED will slowly blink to indicate it is reset and ready to be paired. For information on configuring the smart lights and other Halo Home products, refer to the Halo Home app videos and instructions. For the latest in energy savings and technology, choose Halo, innovation you can rely on.